Hey you, welcome to my channel if you are new, and welcome back if you are an OG. I just want to say I'm so happy to be back here. I know it has been a while, guys, but I am now getting my YouTube life back together. But as you can see, I am starting out in the living room. I'm just going to be doing a little light cleaning in this video just for me to get back into the YouTube cleaning world again. And I promise you guys I will be uploading weekly for you once again. But I'm going to go ahead and clean off the the living room table. And then I'm going to move into the wine area room that I have. And I just hope you get just a little bit of motivation. This will be a quick 10-minute clean with me video, just to get you back into the groove of seeing me. But I do want to let y'all know that I do miss y'all, and I look forward to talking to you in the comments. There's like papers and just all kinds of stuff. Y'all just been living it up in the living room, huh? Oh my darn spray is almost out, but I'm going to use every little piece of this spray. So if y'all have been here before with my YouTube family, you do notice that I have moved some furniture around since the last time I have recorded. One thing about myself is I get completely bored with life and things in my life sometimes, so I just like to move furniture around just to give it just a quick little refresh. So I'm going to be doing that again in my bedroom, so be sure to stick around for that video. I'm getting extremely bored with my bedroom decorations and all of that, so I'm gonna just do a little bit of redecorating in there as well. But guys, tell me how you have been. I am so excited to talk to y'all. I truly missed y'all, seriously, and I appreciate the love that you have shown me on Instagram and the messages just checking on me. It really does mean a lot. Why is there a Ticks candy bar? Okay, this portion of the video is sponsored by MOOSOO, and I am going to go ahead and do an unboxing of the vacuum. They were really nice to send this to me. It is a cordless stick vacuum. It does have an LED display, and I love the packaging that it came in because everything was separated and it was easy to unpack. And I will be telling you more details of what each of the accessories are. It does have an anti-tangle and lead mortarized floor brush, so it's very super large LED display, so you can change it from low to high speed. It's a professional pet cleaning and care, so it has multiple vacuum parts, including a pet grooming brush, and I'm going to show that to you here in a minute. But this is a really good vacuum. I have actually been using it for about a month that I have had this, and I have absolutely no complaints. It really gets the job done. It lasts about 45 minutes on low, but it really can do my whole house. Alright guys, so I'm so excited that I received this new stick vacuum cleaner, and I love the little parts that comes along with it, things that I have not seen come with a stick vacuum. For instance, this is a pet brush, has a little pet paw on here. I don't know if you can see it, but it looks as though when you push it in on your pet, it just gets all the hair, the little loose hair on your pet. So that's pretty neat. I do have a dog. I do have a Chihuahua named Bambi, so I will be trying to do this on her. This is where this can come into play, where you can actually put the detach on there, and then you would hook this on like this. And you push start, and you just go on the dog. So we will be definitely trying this today. And it also has a sofa attachment, which is pretty neat. We'll try this as well. And this is the base where you just snap that into place. Snap, snap. And you can screw it on the wall, or you can leave it on the floor. It's basically for your battery to charge. I am gonna go ahead and put the vacuum together and then charge the battery, and then I'll come back and I will do some vacuuming and display for you. So I'm now taking the battery off of the charger. It had charged for probably about 3 hours. And guys, putting the battery on is really easier the way I made it look. Yeah, once I figured it out, I was like, okay, duh. But super easy, has a very easy display. It has a light so you can see where you are vacuuming, which I really enjoy as well. Don't worry, that's just a scuff mark on the floor. I need to mop that up with some wood cleaner. But it's really easy to use. My daughters are 11 and 14, and they use this just as easily in their room as well. And I comparing this, I do have another vacuum that's pretty high end. If you know, you've been here, you know me, you know what it is, but I still come back to this vacuum. So I will go ahead and leave the description and the link for you to purchase this in my description box below. They are offering a $20 off coupon for you, and so you'll be able to purchase this. There's my daughter. She just came home giving me a hug. She said it's hot, but that is my 14-year-old Lonnie. And I just love her, and she's always giving mommy hugs. I don't know if y'all do this, but I seriously kick my furniture over when I am vacuuming. One time I kicked a plant stand over and knocked the whole plant over, and you think I would learn my lesson, but I totally don't. I still literally kick my furniture when I am vacuuming underneath it. Do you guys do the same thing? Please let me know that I am not the only one. But now I'm moving into my little wine area room. If you have been here before, you see that is different as well. I did want to show you this blanket that my mom bought us for Christmas one year. I love it. It has all the family on it. But anywho, this is kind of different as well. I did change the chairs around and move the TV out because we literally do not sit in here and watch TV. This is mainly like when my best friend comes over, we sit in here and we just drink wine and talk, and that's mainly what this room is pretty much for. But I'm just going to get it dusted and vacuumed in here, and then I'm going to move over to the stairway area and get that cleaned up, and then we will be all done. Like I'm better off with So guys, we are coming to the end of the video. Like I stated before, it was super quick cleaning motivation, but I still hope that you enjoyed. I really did enjoy recording this for you, and I'm so happy to be back on track with you guys. Don't forget to check out the description box below if you're interested in this vacuum. And once again, please like if you enjoyed this video and leave me a comment to say hi. I cannot wait to chit chat with you, and I will be back next Sunday at 3 p.m. Central Standard Time. And once again, thank you guys so much for being here. I really appreciate your constant support. It means the world to me. You guys have a good day, and I will see you soon. Bye-bye.